and Nevis. Your Excellency, you have the floor.
Mr. President, Excellencies, I greet you warmly on behalf of the Prime Minister and people of St. Kitts and Nevis. The Caribbean and Latin America observed nearly 40,000 climate-related deaths and 1.3 trillion in economic loss in the past decade. Islanders live the horrors and hopes as frontliners on the climate crisis. The receding wave claims our land. The fisher's net has no haul. The farmer's hoe breaks no ground. The pouring rain knows no end. But there is hope here in Baku, for this cannot be the future to which we resign island nations. In 2023, SIDS received 1.4 billion, or 10% of GCF finance. In 2022, we accessed 44% of climate finance as debt. SIDS received 0.2% of global climate adaptation finance. Where is the solidarity? Where is the justice? Baku must be synonymous with relief and results for SIDS. The people of St. Kitts and Nevis stand with CARICOM and AOSIS in seeking a shift in climate finance towards minimum allocation floors, high-quality, sustainable, blended finance with the highest level of concessionality. A new collective quantified goal that bridges the financing gaps between G7 and G77. A loss and damage fund that is fully operationalized and ready for programming. Advancing climate transparency and accountability toward climate justice. Adequately resourcing the Special Climate Change Fund and other facilities which allow the NDCs to meet the 1.5 goal. St. Kitts and Nevis is actively pursuing its sustainable island state agenda through robust partnerships and targeted action in decarbonizing energy generation, constructing sustainable homes, and climate-proofing our utilities infrastructure. Our friends, an island nation, also at the vanguard of sustainability and resilience, offers us opportunities to learn and collaborate. As we leave no one behind, we must bring along the experiences and expertise of the people of the Republic of China and Taiwan. We must align our actions and ambitions so that substance and survival for all, not some, supersedes exclusionary processes. We invite all island nations to convene in St. Kitts and Nevis as we co-host the Global Sustainable Island Summit with Island Innovation to advance the SIDS agenda together. Our children, our elderly, our women, our girls, our indigenous people, our youth deserve better. Let us be seized by a desire for better, not seduced by incrementalism. Let Baku be the space for co-creation of finance justice in true solidarity. Children should not be inheritors of a ruined planet, but co-creators and co-managers of the future they deserve. St. Kitts and Nevis, CARICOM Youth Ambassador 2024. I thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.